Stop doing shoulder snaps. Save your shoulders with proper form. Mistake number 1 is dropping the hips. When you do this, your glutes are not in the game as much as they should be. So if your glutes are barely working, then your lower back and your hamstrings are working harder than they should just to keep your hips up off the ground, which can lead to straining either one of those muscles. To fix this, all you have to do is just to squeeze your glutes as hard as you can without hyperextending your lower back. Alright, so for mistake number 2, and this is a pretty big one, is leaning forward. The moment your shoulders drift in front of your hands, you've changed this from a back and glute exercise into something that puts a ton of pressure on your shoulder and elbow joints. It's an awkward and risky shoulder movement. The fix is to just stack your shoulders directly over your wrists and push your chest to the ceiling. In addition to that, to prevent any discomfort, I recommend you either turn your hands out 45 degrees or you can completely position them so they're facing backwards. The final mistake is abducting your legs. This is not really dangerous, it's just making the exercise slightly easier by widening your base of support. Doing this means your deep core muscles and your hip stabilizers don't have to work as hard to prevent your body from twisting or wobbling. The fix for this is to just keep your legs together and your toes pointed forward. Like and subscribe. Thank you.